Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my waterproof phone pouch, and so I wanted to open up and give you guys a little test here with the water, but here it is. So this is sweet. So let me make sure I got it comes with the lanyard here. So let me open this up here. Take this out. So we got the lanyard here, and then we got the case here. So this is sweet. So I can just snap these on right here. There we go. I got one on there, and then the other here. And so this is sweet. So wow, it even has this whole cover. Okay, so if I want to open it, I push them both in, both of these sides here, and then I just open it up. So you just open it up from here. Those are pushed in, and now it's ready to be opened. Yeah, okay, there we go. So now I have the inside of the pouch right here, and it's pretty cool because it's got two sections here. So it has a little back section, which you can see there, and then it has the front section. But I was gonna drop my phone in here and show you guys how waterproof it is. So there goes my phone, and then I gotta make sure I close it all right. So you just put it in the holes here, and oh, I need to make sure that's open. So you put it through there, and then you lock it with that. And so there we go. I got this one locked, and then there we go. So there we go. It is now all locked, and so I could drop it right here in the water, and it'll be totally fine. So there you go. It's waterproof, and so this is sweet. This is perfect if you want to bring it with you somewhere. You're bringing it to the beach or wherever you want, and you want to keep your phone all dry, and you can just hang it around and be hanging out with it like that. So I give it a thumbs up.